to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clone your voice safely with play.ht. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to clone your voice safely with play.ht, all you gotta do is simply go to play.ht. Once you're in this, you need to simply choose this method to safely clone your voice. All you gotta do is simply use the voice cloning. So once you use your voice cloning feature in the dashboard, you can upload a clean audio that is recording directly or uploading a file. You need to ensure you have consent. It's your voice, or like you have your consent to use others' voice, then generate text to speech. Safety comes from only cloning your own voice for ethical use, using quiet recording environments, and being aware of the terms with paid plans offer higher fidelity for better realism. So this way you can clone your voice safely with play.ht. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.